What's up, you beautiful people? If you're new here, I'm Courtney. Welcome to our little corner of YouTube. Join the fam, click that subscribe button because today I'm letting you guys choose what I do today. I've seen this going around YouTube and I thought it'd be so much fun. So I did a lot of little polls on Instagram asking you to choose between two things and you'd like dictate how my day goes. So I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys and do this a little bit more vlog style. I've also been doing a ton of different videos where like I interact with you guys on Instagram and have you guys play a role in my videos. So if you want to be like featured and be a part of future videos, definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is kind of like a win-win right now because I'm having a $250 Visa gift card giveaway running until May 24th. And one of the rules is you have to be following me on Instagram. So the only other rules is you have to follow both of my Instagrams and both of my YouTube channels. I do have another vlog channel as well. But anyways, all you have to do is follow this channel, my slime channel, and both of my Instagrams. I'll link all that down below if you want to enter the giveaway. And let's go ahead and get started with this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the vlog style. Let me know how your day was in the comments down below. And let's go ahead and jump into it. Well, good morning, guys. Fancy seeing you here. So today, as you can tell, you guys are gonna be choosing my day. So as I kind of grab my camera and everything, I asked you guys the first question because the first thing on my mind when I wake up is what I should have to eat. So I asked you guys if I should have an acai bowl or oatmeal, trying to keep it healthy. Acai bowl definitely took the lead with 61% to 39%. So I'm not mad about it. That's what I actually wanted. So we're gonna get that. I'm gonna show you what I like to do because for the longest time I could not get an acai bowl, and Andy and I love them and we would never make them at home, and now we do it all the time. I almost have one like every day for breakfast. So I'm gonna show you what I do in case you like them too. You can use just about any blender because ours isn't anything fancy. Okay, so first I just add in some almond milk. You could always add more of this. So none of our grocery stores carry like the frozen acai. So I get this off Amazon and it's way cheaper too. So I just use, it's supposed to be like a teaspoon. I usually do like a heaping teaspoon. It's just dried acai. Then we got a frozen banana. Has to be frozen for it to come out right. And then just some frozen berries. For my acai bowl, what I like to put on top is granola. This is my favorite. I feel like it's one of the healthiest from the grocery store. This is Love Crunch. This isn't my favorite kind. I love the coconut flake one, but they usually don't have it. And then I also do some almond slices. I do chia seeds and I do hemp seeds. Now don't get me wrong, this girl loves some fresh fruit on top, but day to day I feel like there's so much fruit already in the bowl. I don't want like a sugar overload. So that's why I usually just stick with like the granola and like stuff to keep me full on top. Okay, so here is my bowl. Look how thick and delicious. I always gotta have a little bit of caffeine in the morning. Sometimes I just take a caffeine pill. But I have this new option that I thought I would try out because I don't like coffee, but I need some caffeine. So I usually drink hot tea. But then I got this caffeine water. So I'm gonna let you guys vote if you want. This is equal to 1 cup of coffee and I pretty much only drink water or tea, so this is like a good option. So I'm gonna like take a picture. Let's set it up here. Okay, so I got what type of caffeine should I drink? We have tea and caffeine water. I love tea, so I'm not gonna be mad if you guys choose that, but I haven't tried caffeine water yet, so I'm like kind of curious to try it. I think I need to close off my breakfast routine with something I like to do. When I eat, I like to watch TV, and last night was a good night. Some nights I don't have any shows on that I like to watch, but on Tuesday we have the 100 and the challenge. So the 100 just came back on and I'm like so obsessed with it, but normally you can't tear me away from the challenge. And I'm not gonna sit here and watch 2 hours of TV. So I'm gonna let you guys choose which one I should watch now, and then I'll probably watch the other one like tomorrow morning or something. I honestly don't know which way I want this to go. The 100 left off. They leave off at such cliffhangers, so I kind of hope you guys choose the 100. But that's only because like the challenge isn't really the challenge, it's champs versus stars right now. So if it was actually the challenge, that might be a little more difficult to choose. All right, time to post that. Okay, so clearly tea is the winner. I guess I'll have to try my caffeine water another time, and I'm gonna go watch, yay, the 100. This has been going back and forth and back and forth. It keeps getting tied up, and then the 100 will pull ahead, and then it ties up, and then the 100 pulls ahead. So since it keeps kind of inching, I'm gonna go for it, since that's kind of what I wanted to watch. So I'm going with it. Who else put ice cubes in their tea? I'm such a baby, and this still takes it a while to cool down, but ice cubes all the way, like at least 2 or 3. All right, so time to get dressed. I just threw on a t-shirt and some shorts because I have to film the intro for this video and another video, but then I'm going to the gym. So I figured I would let you guys pick out my gym outfit instead of just this, since I just threw it on. But I did have you guys pick out my hair and my makeup. So for my hair, I'm filming like I said, so I did give you guys an up option or just a curly hair option, and luckily you guys chose curly because I rarely wear my hair up in a video. And surprisingly, when I asked you guys for natural or glam makeup, you chose natural. So that should be pretty easy to do. So let's get started. All right, so my hair is curled, got some natural makeup. It's so weird. I'm not used to like filming without fake eyelashes or anything like that. So here is the look you guys chose. Now I have to get some work done, so I thought I would ask you guys a couple more questions while I do that, so you can help me decide what to do after and give you guys some time to answer. So there's some things that I tend to put off, one of which is giving Miss Luna a bath. She is a Sphynx cat, so she does get oily, and I do give her baths. It's just pretty common for that. So I'm asking you guys if I should give her a bath or clean the house. I've been putting off getting her a bath for a while, but I could also use a good little house cleaning. So you guys are gonna help me decide. I should really do both, but let's face it, that's probably not gonna happen. So you guys can make sure I do at least one of these today instead of putting it off again. Oh my gosh, poor Luna. It has been going back and forth so much. Luna, do you know what time it is? I know. I'm sorry, this has to happen. I know. I know. It's okay. Relax. You're so good. Yes, you are. You're being a good girl. See, I know I'm not the usual. I got a little bit of hair. It's okay. Say, I am clean, Luna. Clean Luna! Okay, so I just thought of a funny one while I was doing my hair earlier, and I was like, my hair layers aren't that like short anymore. Like it's kind of losing some volume up here. So I figured, I'm gonna ask you guys, should I cut my own hair? And by that I mean like cut some layers into my hair, or should I just leave it? So I'm super curious. Let's post this one. I'm so shocked at you guys right now. I guess you have no faith in my hair cutting abilities. Actually, I usually do cut my own hair or like trim it unless it's like a major change. But as of right now, only 21% of you said I should cut it, and the rest said I should leave it. So I'm gonna keep checking on that one. Wait to see if it will even out, but that's such a huge difference. I did not think it would be that at all. Okay, now comes the moment of truth. If I'm going to cut my hair, honestly, it's not that big of a deal for me either way, but I'm gonna see if you guys had my back or not. 68% of you said leave it. Only 32% said I should cut it. That's crazy. Guess we're not cutting it. That's crazy. I thought for sure you guys were gonna pick cut your hair. I wouldn't have blamed you. That would have been pretty entertaining. Okay, so then of course we have workout options. Can't you see I'm so neutral? These are actually super maroon colored. I don't know, there we go. That looks a little more true, but they almost look like gray or black on camera, but they're like a purple maroon. So I had that with this, just a plain white tank top and neutral shoes, or we have shorts, a white tank top, a little bit different, and some bright colorful shoes. So I'm real adventurous, can't you tell? Okay guys, the winner by a long shot, dun dun dun, is this outfit right here. So I'm off to the gym. I'll see you guys when I get back. If you made it to the end, smash that like button and let me know that you made it in the comments down below. I always try to respond to like all my comments, so if you get to a new video early, leave a comment and most likely I'll be responding. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!